Cherokee has really allowed me to grow in developing soft skills such as public speaking, time management, and just leadership qualities.
I'd say definitely all my classes at Cherokee have helped prepare me for the future.
Here at Cherokee, I've been able to have the opportunities to develop my teamwork skills, communication, but also having time to work on problem solving.
I think that all of my AB classes have definitely helped prepare me for the future.
I've taken part of many different activities here at Cherokee, with the Ukraine Club, STEM Club, FBLA, Volleyball, and Asian Culture Club, but they're all also allows me opportunities for meeting different groups of people and also taking initiatives for events and competitions.
I'd say the leadership position that I've held at Cherokee that is such a special place in my heart, but it doesn't even have a certain title, is just leading in theater. And I think like being a lead character and sort of being someone that people almost sort of look up to, it pushes me to be the best version of myself and show that to other people.
I have been shaped and changed in so many ways due to my extracurriculars.
A few leadership positions I've held at Cherokee consist of varsity baseball captain and senior advisory board, as well as peer leadership. And some really big life lessons that they've taught me have been to step out of your comfort zone.
Cherokee has given me many opportunities inside and outside the classroom. And with outside the classroom, there's extracurriculars such as volleyball, where I get to compete with my teammates, and also at FBLA, Future Business Leaders of America.
Chemistry, bio, and physics have been three of my major classes, which helped me determine that I wanted to pursue biomedical engineering as a major. I'd say in general, they've been really, really fun, engaging, and interesting classes that I've always loved going to.
Both staff and administration have put me on the path for success, with staff and teachers being so passionate about their teaching skills and time in the classroom.
Cherokee has made me feel very confident in success because of my teachers, but also my experiences here, and I feel like it'll help me with my career and my future goals.
I think just my experience here in Cherokee, meeting so many diverse people who love different things, people who are passionate in different subjects, different areas, I feel like I've come to realize that no matter what I do in the future, no matter where I go, I will be successful in a way because I will be happy, I'll be passionate about what I'm doing.
I feel pretty confident about being successful after high school. And I think that comes from my inner confidence and belief in my abilities. And although I don't know exactly, where everything leads me, I kind of feel peace in knowing that my abilities and all the positive things I've done at Cherokee, are still with me, and I can use those strengths to help me in my future.